Okay, no. I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist. I just haven't seen my hair in a perm rod set in a minute, and I don't know what it's gonna look like, and I think I'm having a disconnect. But what's the last thing I posted about it? So it may have to be a perm rod set. Alright. And we're gonna go with the orange perm rods today. Body Body Wrap Me Foam Mousse. Today's actually a nice day. I'm attending a wedding. I just want to be cute. So sometimes you be like, this is the style I should have went with. I just had that moment there. I think we'll be good. I'm gonna go with this. You already know how I do my perm rods. I twist it down, certain amount down. Then I smooth the rest out. And we add it to the rod. I try not to overlap on the hair only because it just doesn't help the hair dry fast enough. I will say this, using these bigger perm rods, I probably shouldn't twist too far down because I need more of a curl, if anything else, so I don't want it to be 1 inch of curl and then the rest is that twist. I haven't done transitions in a while, so I think that's what I'm gonna do for my Instagram post. I used to do a transition, do you hear me? Let me show y'all something. I think that's what we're gonna do for today, wedding content, a transition, where it goes from maybe my blown out hair to, that's pretty tight, blown out hair to the perm rods to me at the wedding. Or me with the hair down and then me at the wedding. I gotta figure out what transition I wanna do. Sometimes people be doing this. Do that. That don't mean nothing, right? See? I see what, well, that's what everybody do. Do you need to be doing it? Okay. She added to the rod, nice and smooth. Then I go on top of it just to secure it. Then I work my way up the rod so that I'm not overlapping on my hair. Okay. Did y'all watch that movie, You, Me, and Tuscany? Let me know. What would y'all rate that movie? I rated it like a 7 out of 10. I feel like, and with no spoilers, I'm gonna do my best. But Halle Bailey, her character got on my nerves. Like I couldn't even watch it because after a while I was just like, kind of over how they had her moving and grooving in life. I was like, is she gonna get herself together? And then I'm like, well, aren't we all like that? Don't we all have a moment where you be like, how'd you do that? So that was the only thing. Do I think it was a good match for her and the guy? 7 out of 10. I don't know if I would necessarily go watch it again. But like it's one of those, like if nothing else is on, I'll watch it. And make sure your twist is going downward so that it can stay going forward. If that makes sense. Make sure that you're twisting forward, so that's the direction that your root will go. I find that to be very helpful. That you want to make sure that's in the slit. If not, it may pop out and you did all that work for nothing, or you got to start over. because it didn't popped out while I was trying to dry. Make sure it lays right on top. Keeps it nice and secure. Now, the biggest thing, y'all have to make sure y'all sit under this dryer. I know I talk about it a lot, but that is going to help you. You do not want to be doing all this work, but you got out the dryer so fast because you thought it was dry. Like, no, sit under a hooded dryer. Also, be mindful of your sections. I went a little bit bigger in my sections just because this perm rod is bigger, but don't go too big. Like, not too much. And when I get to the front, sometimes I go smaller. Sometimes. Only because that's the main part that people see is the front of your head. Even though the back matters too. The way y'all be fluffing, you gotta fluff. You gotta still get the same love you get to the front, to the back. Right. I'm gonna sit on the dryer for remember, you gotta check one of your things. So check a front, check a middle, and check a back. That's gonna let you know where you at. Y'all know I be rhyming. Yes, I need it for my clothes. But yeah, so I have this hooded dryer. I don't know where this dryer is anymore. It should still be linked on my Amazon. I'm gonna check. Yeah, I don't know where this dryer is. And it's all right. See you on the view. I need to find some jewelry. These are hard to put on, even though I would like to wear these. These are definitely a task. And these are two different earrings. Where is the other earring? Y'all. Alright. No little earrings, but... I need you in my Here's the dress. Got it from Fashion Nova. If y'all can suggest a good strapless bra, if you are busty, I don't want the ones, y'all, I can't get the advice from y'all. No, y'all don't. If you have good suggestions on a good strapless bra, let me know. Because as of today, we're going to be wearing this bra and tucking it in. That's what you got to do. Got the Spanx on. Boom. Please. Please. Thank you. It's from Fashion Nova. Alright, let's try to show this one more time. room that I need to vacuum, so don't stare too long. So, gold heels, gold purse.
At the light, turn right.
Because I want you to know, like, I'm not okay, like, to see all that. Janae, why would you look? Why would you look if you can't look? It doesn't even say what floor we're on. Oh, I don't even want to think about that. But you talking to me helps, I feel like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Stand up.
Oh, I can't stand up. I will be crawling off this.
That purse over there in gold. We here. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Are you okay? No.
Like it gives that color.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm feeling it.
You're right.
That looks good.
I'm too.